When precision and corrosion resistance matter, stainless steel components often undergo one of two treatments: passivation or electropolishing. But what's the difference? Both improve corrosion resistance, but they work in very different ways. Passivation is a chemical process, usually using citric or nitric acid, that removes free iron from the surface of stainless steel. This allows a natural chromium oxide layer to reform, enhancing the part's resistance to rust and corrosion. Electropolishing is an electrochemical process that removes a thin layer of material from the surface. It smooths roughness, deburrs edges, and eliminates embedded contaminants, all while enhancing corrosion resistance. The key difference? Passivation cleans and promotes the passive layer, but doesn't change the surface geometry. Electropolishing does both, at the same time while also enhancing the aesthetic of the alloy. Passivation is ideal after machining to remove surface contamination. Electropolishing is preferred when dimensional consistency, microfinish, and cleanliness are critical, like in aerospace, medical, and sensor applications. Want to learn which process is right for your application? Talk to the experts at New England Electropolishing.